Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is YULIANTO. I will give tricks and tips about quantitative research and qualitative research. Before discussing future, what is qualitative research? It's the research in the front of words, the technique of collecting data, the observing, interviewing, and collecting document in the analysis using statistics. What is quantitative research? It's research in the form of number data, collecting technique using statistics in the analysis. Next. First, I will share tips quantitative research. The step when using statistical data analysis in quantitative research. Number 1, determine the problem. To be the object of observation or research. Determine the problem or find something that attracts attention in the situation as the problem point of view, so that it can work effectively when collecting data and providing high accuracy. Many difficulties will arise if there is no clear definition of the problem you want to know. Next. Number 2. Collecting data, an important factor in data collecting that needs to be considered in the population and sample. In this section, inferential statistics are used. Inferential statistics are used to expand to acquisition of information from random sample in the population that are finally used as the way of looking at the entire population. The usefulness of inferential statistics is to obtain information from the population contained in the sample. Number 3. Doing analysis. In data analysis, the method used for data analysis is divided into 2 categories: explanatory method and confirmatory method. Number 1, the explanatory method is used to determine whether existing data can be presented through simple and easy arithmetic number with graphic and summary of data. Number 2, the confirmatory method utilizes the idea of probability theory as an attempt to answer specific questions beyond summaries that are easily obtained. Probability theory is important when making decisions because it will function as the measure of measuring, feeling, expressing, and analyzing possibilities that can occur in the future. To complete qualitative research design, several things must be considered annually. Number 1, choose topic and formulate research question. Number 2, doing research and discussion of theory. Number 3, make a structure of the research design. We'll discuss how to section of the quantitative research topic is good and wrong. You can choose several factors to consider things. Number 1, personal experience and daily life. This personal experience can be either direct or indirect experience, such as experience that others tell you. Number 2, problem in mass media. At the present, there are so many mass media, both in the front of print, such as tabloid, magazine, newspaper. There are numbers in the front electronic, as radio, television, as also internet. The news present in the mass media can be chosen as a research topic. Number 3, find knowledge and compare it with theory. Number 4, needs to solve problems. As long as human life, the problem will always be there. For example, when schooling in Solo, there is something called student browse. This problem is not something that must be avoided, but a solution must be solved. One of them is the conducting research. Number 5, opportunistic social premiums. A research must take care of the licensing issues of the person being researched, the price and mutual coordinating of what he wants to examine, so as not to cause problem when the research is carried out. Number C. Personal values obtained between one individual, society, region, and nation have distinctive characteristics from one another. Then the result that between one individual, family, and society has diversity of values. This is also an interesting topic to study. Certain ways or steps with certain sequence to get it attained through knowledge. Number 1, scientific approach. So that we can know scientific is true and logical. To be able to think scientifically, it will go through 3 stages. Number 1, skeptic. It is an effort to always explore for evidence for fact for each statement. Number 2, analytic. It's an activity to always weigh every problem faced with one irrelevant, with one in the main problem, and so on. Number 3, philosophy. It try to develop to ability to weigh is always objectively. For this is the method to the data and pattern of things are always logical. The scientific approach will produce conclusions similar for almost everyone. Because of this approach, not overlap their personal beliefs, biases, and feelings, where the conclusion is not subjective but objective. Qualitative research. First, I will discuss about data collecting data technique or technique collecting data. The qualitative research is good and right. Number 1, observation. First, passive observation or passive participation. Observer is present in the setting but does not take part or does not communicate with the people in that setting. Second, observation or participation are moderate. Observer perform 2 roles in the balanced manner, namely as one person who plays a role in that setting and at the same time as an observer. Number 3, observing active participation. Observer does not wait other people to need setting with the intention of studying behavioral cultural norms in the setting. What needs to be observed? At the beginning of the observation, the observer does not wait to observation then thorough or general observation. What needs to be observed are place, actor, activities, object, event, time, goals, and feelings. Furthermore, observers can only focus certain object observation, meaning thorough observation, although they still have to consider object observation in general. Next, number 2, interview. Interview is a conversation with a specific purpose. The objective of the interview include obtaining reason and now construction about people, event, activities, organization, feeling, and motivation. The way interviews are conducted. Interviews can be divided into 3, namely the squirrel standard interviews, unsquirrel standard interviews, and the non-standard interviews. Number 3, the document analysis. Aside from the what was observed in the file and was heard from respondent, the research called as no observation information data from object that show human feelings and experience and knowledge. Step 2, determine the study of theory. 1, set the name and number of variables that are examined. Number 2, search while reading results from book, dictionary, scientific journal, numerous research reports, and relevant to each variable that is examined. Number 3, look at the list of content and solve the topic according to the variable being researched. Number 4, search for and compare variable theories from various reading results. Number 5, read an entire topic in accordance with the variable. Number 6, description of theory with its own language. Number 7, don't forget to the list source that will be achieved even more, especially if the research has not had too many problem examined. Determine the validity check data. Information obtained by research cannot be used as the research data. Until research believe that the information can be accounted for one decision is necessary to check the validity of data so that the data entered is truly reliable. There are several techniques that can be used. Among them are follow extension of research involvement in the setting, research perseverance triangulation, member check, peer debriefing, and audit trial. The element in the research is designed above are not linearly arranged as in the qualitative research, but not arithmetical arranged to give clarity about the qualitative research. Shall the following two models are adapted from? I think enough for my lesson about technique qualitative research and quantitative research. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.